So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Brightcom Group share. So finally, the stock today has approached the 3-figure mark of 100 rupees and comfortably it has closed above 100 rupees level. So what we have discussed in previous videos, so clearly I told even if the fluctuations are seen in this particular stock, so don't sell any of your shares because those things are done by operators to make you sell the shares and again they will start buying from the low levels. So those particular spikes keep happening, and as I told, if you're a long-term investor, so you should not get tempted to these type of fluctuations. So whenever circuit is getting opened, so just try to search for average opportunities if you have not done yet, and if you are trying for fresh investment, so you need to patiently add in small portions. So not like that if circuit is getting open, I'll put entire 1 lakh. So that is not the right thing. Just you need to allocate 10 to 15% of your capital. Again, if it corrects, then again you need to follow the same strategy. So in that way, you need to accumulate this particular stock for a long term. Alright. So today we'll try to upgrade the levels. We'll see what can be the next possible levels that can be observed in Brightcom Group. So from single digit figure, finally the stock has entered into 3-digit figure. So that is the essence of levels and fundamentals. So make sure if you're liking the video, so do like it. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so if we talk about the day-to-day wise deliveries in Brightcom Group. So as I told, there are few stocks which give continuous upper circuits and few after giving upper circuits again they come down in the same manner. So what are those stocks called? So those stocks basically which don't have any fundamentals, which do not have basically any financials. So when they are following that pattern, you need to be very cautious. But Brightcom Group, we know fundamentals are good, financials are good, company's future perspective is very clear. So when it is giving upper circuits, and same way when it is correcting, you need to search for buying opportunity but not for selling. Okay, so remember these points. So coming to deliveries section, you can see the day-to-day wise deliveries, clearly it is increasing. So because of the back-to-back momentum that the stock is showing. Okay, so hope you're understanding that. So coming to the technical point of view, so almost the last 2 sessions the stock almost the circuit was open. It was initially showing the signs that it will come down, but again as I told, operators will tempt you. Again they have bought at the same levels and it has closed in the upper circuit. So if you go and compare it with Tanla Solutions, so at some point of time that particular stock also used to follow the same pattern. So same pattern is being implemented in Brightcom Group, and if you see Tanla Solutions at the current levels, it is at 1400 rupees level. So try to compare the 52-week high and low of Tanla Solutions. So clearly you'll get an idea, and the same pattern is also being implemented in Brightcom Group. So keeping that thing in mind, so don't have any excess greed. So follow the same rules. Discipline is very important. So without discipline, we can't make wealth. Okay. So delivery section, it is very clear that very good accumulation is present in the stock. So now let's go to technical charts, both daily chart and weekly chart. We'll see all the possible levels. Okay, so moving towards weekly chart, if we try to observe the price action, clearly we have seen a V-shape recovery in the stock. So initially it was facing a resistance near the 90 rupees. So many thought it would retrace from there, but initial signs were there. But again, even though market is facing little bit of correction, the stock has maintained that particular region and it has comfortably crossed the 100 rupees level. Okay, and next moving towards next immediate target, we can observe 1110 as the next immediate target, keeping 100 as a very strong support. And money flow index is around 62 in weekly chart, so that is also in a very good range, and still it is looking pretty bullish. Okay, so next, if we observe the daily chart of BCG, we can see that, as I told, little bit of initially it has showed the signs. Again, you can see a wick has been generated, and we can see a good buying volume has been generated. And if we see the daily chart is around, you can see it has closed around 103.80. Okay, and coming to money flow index, you can see it has retraced from the low level of 51, and you can see it is also in a very good range of buying region. So keep a very good support of 100. So if it is coming down, okay, wait patiently. Search for average opportunities, whatever the levels we're discussing. So first one is 100, second one is going to be 90, the most important support. So 100 rupees was the midterm target in Brightcom Group. So few have exited, like swing traders have exited, but long-term investors don't have in mind of booking short-term profits. So since you're holding in small portions, so keep carry forwarding that to long term as well. Okay, so this is all about Brightcom Group. So further any queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.